Alinson's
So-
demon, please.
Demon, for the love of God, please don't let him repeat that one more time.
Trust him.
I don't know how you're still not used to pressing the fucking button.
I have a lot of double weaves, okay? You know.
Hey,
Oh,
hey, I have a lot of stuff to do.
Hey, just play Paladin next Steal Bow.
You're not a healer, dude.
I know, I come and take fucking beta cup.
If it's close enough.
Change stratagem.
Move. You just call Paladin on the 8 o'clock.
Demon,
Yes.
please be careful.
Okay, now hardcore.
One more.
Only a little.
Embolden.
Choco, I need mana, please. Thanks.
I'm too scared to use my blood for blood.
Damage here.
Yeah, there's no more damage in your part.
Cool.
This is
But
dead.
there's Vulcan first.
Oh yeah, right.
Positions.
Okay, cool.
Put me on
Install
eruption.
me.
With that, we're fine. On B.
beam.
I am dead because the...
Move.
I'll try.
Oh, please heal me, I'm dead.
Come on, Chad.
Demon.
Tank LB, tank LB, tank LB, tank LB,
Demon,
tank
Demon,
LB, tank
now!
LB, tank LB, tank LB, tank LB.
Choke got us.
We are dead anyways.
Oh, shit, why?
Hey, Kim's up.
Booms.
Game's dead.
Demon, you're standing at the wrong side.
I'll take this one.
That's a tank one.
Care.